are here to present to you how to identify the congruence of sides and angles of any polygon that is given by your teacher or your professor. This is a presentation of grade 8 oxygen students from Caloocan National Science and Technology High School here in the Philippines. So we have congruent sides. First off, let's discuss this thing.
Also referred as congruent segments. Congruent sides or segments have the exact same length. For any set of congruent geometric figures, the corresponding sides or segments are congruent. Corresponding sides are usually marked by ticks.
So we have two trapezoids here. We have trapezoid ABCD and trapezoid WXZY. So as we can see, they are marked by ticks. The number one tick is for side DC is congruent or corresponding to side YZ, and segment BC is corresponding to side XC, which we therefore conclude that they are congruent. So we have other examples. We have parallelogram KACE and parallelogram JOSH are congruent. So as we can see here, the tick 1 is for segment KA to segment JO as well as segment EC to segment HS. And the second ticks are segment AC to segment OS and segment KE to segment JH. Next, we have two set of congruent triangles here, which are triangle LOW and triangle SET. So we can conclude that segment LO is congruent to segment SE and segment LW is congruent to segment ST. Next, we have congruent angles.
Congruent angles have the exact same length. For any set of congruent geometric figures, the corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are usually marked by arcs or arcs with ticks.
So we have two examples here, a pair of congruent triangles which are marked by arcs and arcs with ticks. So triangle SUN is marked by arcs and triangle DAY is marked by arcs with ticks. So we can conclude angle S is congruent to angle D, angle U is congruent to angle A, and angle N is congruent to angle Y. So we have other examples here. This is a pair of congruent triangles. We have triangle ALI and triangle SON. And we have triangle OXY and triangle GEN. So we can conclude that angle L is congruent to angle O in the first figure, angle I is congruent to angle N, and angle A is congruent to angle S. And for the second figure, we can conclude that angle O is congruent to angle G, angle Y is congruent to angle N, and angle X is congruent to angle V. So this is not a part of our lesson for today, but we can cover this as a part because it's involving in sides and angles. So we can discuss a triangle congruence.
There are different postulates of triangle congruence. Most of these postulates are involving sides and angles. Some of these postulates are SAS or side angle side, ASA or angle side angle, AAS or angle angle side, SSA or side side angle, and HL or hypotenuse side.
So we have one example here, one set of congruent angles, which is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So we can see that it's ASA postulate because angle A and angle C are next to each other and the included side is segment AC. So was the other triangle, which is angle D and angle F, and the included side is side DF. So we have other examples for this triangle congruence which is involving sides and angles. Number one of this is SS postulate or side postulate, which defines three corresponding sides of a triangle are congruent. So we can conclude that angle or side HN is congruent to side SM, side HD is congruent to side SE, and side ND is congruent to side ME. Number two example, we have two congruent triangles which can be an SAS postulate. Two sides of the triangle included angle. So segment, on the first figure, segment MH and segment HA are the sides and the included angle is angle H. While on the other figure, segment AT and segment TS and the angle included is angle T. So let's have a quick talk of our lesson.
Congruent sides, also referred as congruent segments. Congruent sides or segments have the exact same length. For any set of congruent geometric figures, the corresponding sides or segments are congruent. Corresponding sides are usually marked by ticks.
Congruent angles. Congruent angles have the exact same measure. For any set of congruent geometric figures, the corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are usually marked by arcs or arcs with ticks.
Lastly, we have congruence involving sides and angles. There are different postulates of triangle congruence. Most of these postulates are involving sides and angles. Some of these postulates are S or side angle side, ASA or angle side angle, AAS angle side, SSA side side angle, HL or hypotenuse leg, and the one included SSS or side postulate. So that's it for today. Thank you, and we hope that you learned something from this.